Today we'll discuss properties of aldehyde ketones. This couple of reactions will be given only by aldehyde. Right? First is tolerance test. What is the tolerance test?
Silver mirror test, right?
Yes. Suppose if you take any aldehyde, aliphatic aromatic both. Okay. This is important. Tolerance test will undergo both aliphatic as well as aromatic aldehyde, right?
Yeah.
If you take this NH3 2 plus is basically ammonical solution of silver nitrate, right?
Yeah.
Tolerance reagent. This is a mild oxidizing agent. So we'll get it, the corresponding acid and silver, right? Because it's a white precipitate, right? The white is a called silver mirror test, right?
Yeah.
But keep in mind that this is for both aliphatic and aromatics. This is aldehyde. Both aliphatic and aromatic
Yeah.
aldehyde. Next is Felling's test. What is Felling's test?
Felling's test is for aliphatic aldehydes and ketones, I think.
Felling's test is only aliphatic aldehyde, right? If you take aliphatic aldehyde for aliphatic only,
Yeah.
aliphatic, no aromatic, aliphatic aldehyde. We take copper 2 tartarate, right?
Yeah.
Copper 2 tartarate is this filling reagents. Tartarate. Take tartaric acid, then copper 2 tartarate, and is ammonia. Aqueous ammonia will get corresponding acid. This is cuprous oxide. This is we have to remember. Cuprous oxide is red in color, right?
Yeah.
This is red. You have to remember the color red.
Yeah.
Copper oxide is red process. This is the so the filling test is applicable only aliphatic aldehydes, not applicable for aromatic aldehydes, right?
Yes.
How do you need to remember this is a copper oxide will be red, color in red, right? That into copper precipitate.
Yeah.
The C, another reagent is called SIB reagent, right? This so aldehyde restored the magenta color. This you need to remember. Aldehyde restore magenta color. This you need to remember. Magenta color of SIB reagent, right?
Yeah.
Right? So
Yeah.
this test 1, 2, 3 are not given by ketones, right? Or
Yeah.
other organic compounds.
Yeah.
Hence, can be used to differentiate aldehyde from rest of the compounds. If
Yeah.
they give aldehyde test, how to distinguish aldehyde and other compounds, they have to use either of them, depending on the type of aldehyde, either Tollens test or Fehling test or Sieve reagent test. So
Yeah.
based on the magenta, this color.
Hmm.
Am I clear too now? Any
Yes.
doubt?
No
Next
doubt.
is
Sir, also Schiff's reagent is for both aliphatic and aromatic.
yes,
Okay.
reactions given um, reaction given by ketone only. Reaction by given by ketones only, right?
Yeah.
Now, another important reaction, the halobrom reaction, right?
Yeah.
This is very halobrom reaction, halobrom test, right?
Yeah.
What do you know? What do you know this? This is ketomethyl group is there, right? CH3CO group, right? Then sodium hydroxide, iodine. What will get? Will get corresponding sodium acetate plus CHI3, right? This is
Yeah.
yellow precipitate.
Yeah.
Yellow, yellow, right?
Yeah.
Then what is group? This is ketomethyl group, right?
Yeah.
This group is present, right?
Yeah.
This group is present. If you sodium hydroxide iodine, right?
Yeah.
Now tell me, suppose if I change these reagents, NaOY, what will happen? Tell me. Sometimes they might use these reagents instead of in sodium hydroxide iodine. They use the sodium. This is sodium hypohalite. This is
Yeah.
sodium hypohalite, right?
Yeah.
What is the difference between that?
Will it become CI4 as the PPT which forms?
What is the
Or
product? You will get the same product. Same product will get, right?
yeah.
Sodium acetate plus yellow precipitate. Chemistry is there. Now go back your class standard chemistry, right?
Yeah.
What is standard chemistry? If you take very important point, NOH plus iodine, this is the reagent, right?
Hmm.
Take sodium oxide, iodine will get NaOI plus sodium iodide and water. When you
Hmm.
use this sodium hydroxide iodine, then you will get this intermediate called sodium hypohalite. Is a mild oxidizing agent. Okay,
Hmm.
which will oxidize to this corresponding ketomethyl give corresponding acid.
Yeah.
Then sodium is available, sodium salt.
Hmm.
Then CH3 I get the corresponding CH3I, CHI3, yellow precipitate.
Hmm.
That's why question if you see regularly they might change instead of sodium hydroxide iodine, they are using the sodium hypohalite.
Yeah.
Same thing they might use this. If you take bromine, then you will get NaOBr. Same thing NaOI, right?
Yeah.
You mind. Either they will use reagents or they will reagents or these reagents, but it's the same. It's the
Hmm.
same product. Am I clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Keep in mind. So what I've learned, halogen reaction has to have acetyl group
Yeah.
in presence of NaOI, which will be synthesized in situ from
Hmm.
sodium oxide iodine. Either of them. The examiner can choose the, or don't get confused. Same reagent, same function because the mild oxidation get the corresponding oxidation, get the corresponding acetate and sodium iodide. Sorry, this halogen, right?
Yeah.
CHI3, which is yellow precipitate. Now, tell me what is the criteria ketomethyl group, right? Now,
Hmm.
tell me another important point whether CHOH, this isopropyl group, will
Hmm.
undergo halogen reactions or
Hmm.
ethanol will undergo halogen reactions.
No, right? Because it needs the ketomethyl group.
CH3, CHO, whether undergo halogen reaction or not,
No.
right? The answer is no, right?
Yeah.
But I am answer is yes. Why yes? Chemistry behind that, since you are getting mild oxidizing agents, similar to that, remember, always is hydrogen peroxide quenching reagents. Same
Oh,
thing here
that's
is a
oxygen.
mild oxidizing agent. So secondary alcohol should
Hmm.
get this corresponding ketone in situ. Okay, then undergo the halogen reactions. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Secondary alcohol is isopropyl, basically isopropanol. This is have to be isopropanol. This
Hmm.
has to be there. Same thing, your ethanol. Ethanol also undergo mild oxidation corresponding CuLa, right?
Yeah.
Then undergo ketomethyl, undergo the halogen reaction. Same thing, acetyl also undergo.
But for
This is
halogen reaction, shouldn't it have the ketomethyl group?
yes, ketomethyl group, of course. Ketomethyl group has to be there, but what is the chemistry? Chemistry is to get sodium hypohalite is a mild oxidizing agent, right? There is the mechanism is oxidized to get a corresponding acetate and halogen, right?
Yeah.
Acidyl check secondary alcohol. You
Yeah.
have in situ mild oxidizing agents, so will
Yeah.
oxidize to ketones. Now
Yeah.
I have a ketomethyl group, right?
Yeah.
So as usual, undergo the halochrome reactions.
Yeah. But sir, in the second example, we won't have a keto methyl group, right? It's
This
an
the
aldehyde.
article to if article to CH3. Take what is the problem? CH3. Then
Okay.
this is the CH3, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Same thing, CH3CO, right? If you write down this CH3COH, that's it, they undergo. This is the chemistry behind that. Examiner will choose which one. They'll choose for competitive exams, either
Hmm.
this and this, because of this chemistry involved. Am
Yeah.
I clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So this is basically for competitive exam preparation. Now another one called uh, 2,4 DNP test. 2,4 DNP test. For the 2,4 DNP test, this is basically for your carbonyl compound, right? For
Yeah.
carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compound, right? This is called Brady test. BR, right?
Yeah.
Or the chemistry behind that. Suppose if you take any carbonyl compounds,
Hmm.
right? 2,4 DNP what? 2,4 DNP is 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrogen, right? What is
Yeah.
the hydrogen structure? This is the hydrogen, right?
Yeah.
Already you have discussed this chemistry before. 2,4 dinitro, 2, 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrogen. So we take this is DNP, right? 2,4
Yeah.
dinitro and 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrogen. So we'll get a corresponding water.
Yeah.
So we'll get this water elimination. We'll get corresponding what? Get corresponding CH3, CH double bond, N, NH, nitro, nitro. This color you have to remember. This orange color, right?
Yeah.
Orange precipitate. Am I clear to this color important? Sometimes you might what type of color is having for do for DNP test is orange color, orange precipitate. Am I clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
It's a do for DNP test. Another test really comes for organic chemistry and very simple one we have studied before. Suppose if you take reaction with sodium bisulfide reaction, right? Very
Yeah.
simple chemistry. Sometimes they might give. So if you take aldehyde or ketones, whatever maybe,
Hmm.
if you treat with sodium bisulfide, right? You get corresponding RCOH, either hydrogen or ketones, then you will get this salt.
Hmm.
This is insoluble in aqueous sodium bisulfide, right?
Hmm.
So this reaction can be used for separation of aldehydes and ketones from other organic compounds. This is
Hmm.
aldehyde or ketone, right?
Hmm.
Aldehyde or ketones. I am repeating that this reaction will suggest you to differentiate of aldehyde ketones from other organic compounds
Okay.
using this sodium bisulfide reagent. And this is bisulfide. This is a white crystalline product. Note down this white crystalline, white crystalline, right? This
Yeah.
bisulfide addition product, right? This also.
Hmm.
Any doubt? Do you have,
No,
do you have any
sir.
doubt?